So, we've got Miracle of Sound, Valhalla Calling featuring Peyton Parrish. It's from Assassin's Creed. Let's do it. Okay, going all in on the Viking look.
Ships on vigor of the waves of skimming, barren summits to the verdant plains. Each horizon is a new beginning, rise and reign. Far from the fjords and the ice-cold currents, brave and soar over new frontiers. Songs and sagas of a fate determined, shields and spears. Vows of favor or the thrill of plunder, pulled together for the clan and kin. Clank of hammers and the crash of thunder, pound within. Oh, the echoes of eternity. Oh, Valhalla calling me. To pluck the strings of destiny.
Okay.
Valhalla calling me.
Wow. Valhalla calling me, huh? Is that you? Is that you out there? Alright, so I've played this game. As a matter of fact, I haven't finished it, but I do own it. It's just been a while. But the game is really incredible. The landscape is beautiful. The visuals are good looking. Very pretty game. And yeah, it is a full-on Viking era setting, and they've really knocked it out of the park. And this song, man, they are really pulling this off. He's got the Viking look, singing like a Viking, man. This is so cool. All right, let's continue. And I like the hook. The hook is fire. All right, let's continue.
To pluck the strings of destiny. Valhalla calling me. Valhalla calling me.
Let's go.
Sails are swaying on the crimson rivers, blood and glory in the fighting fields. Shields are shatter into splintered timbers, iron and steel.
Let's go.
Fires are rising and the bells are ringing. Glory take us into Odin's halls. Golden glimmer and the sound of singing as God's fall. The echoes of eternity. Valhalla calling me. To pluck the strings of destiny. Valhalla calling me.
Let's go.
Valhalla calling me.
Dude. Wow. Hey, this is getting me hyped. Something about it. It's bringing the energy and it's getting me hyped. I'm hyped. Are you hyped? Get hyped. Nelly, stay out of it. All right, let's continue. This is so good, dude. Good choice, Brian. Let's go.
Valhalla calling me. Wind and the waves will carry me. Wind and the waves will set me free.
Let's go.
Wind and the waves will carry me. Wind and the waves will set me free.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Way to start the stream off with a bang, dude. That was a banger, bro. I don't know. So, dude, that was intense. That was really good, man. Ah, dude. Okay, so that was really good. Oh yeah, I was gonna say, like, where was this song when I was playing the game? Where was it? Where was this song at when I was playing the game, man? It would have been nice. Like you get the little boat in the game, right? And they can sing shanties and whatnot, right? You know, little songs and melodies for when you're sailing. Like, why couldn't they just turn this on and we just sail to this and just ride around and get it with this song playing in the background, man? That was cool, man. Whoever this is, he killed it, knocked it out of the park. It had that Viking feel, that Viking energy, the Viking sound to it. Definitely entertaining. Brought the energy for sure. And yeah, dude, that was intense. But let's see what the chat has to say. Let's see. This is cool. This is making me want to play. It's a good game. I liked it. Lots of passion. We got some fire emojis. I have no time. Okay, that's something else. Hold on. Hey there, Viking time. Great. Yes, Smoggy, Viking time. It is a battle cry. This sounds cool, says Janny. I think he went beast mode on this. Yes, he did go beast mode on that. All right. It's so good, says Munchkin. I didn't want it to end. Awesome. Yeah, dude, it could have went on for a few more minutes. Let's see. Start the show with a banger. My thoughts exactly. Valhalla, hey, that was fire. Facts. Loved it, says Smoggy. There's a female version of the song also. No way, dude. That would be interesting. That was awesome indeed, says Baldevi. Very nice. My parents were into Vikings. That's why I'm called Holger. Holger the Viking. Yeah, that was really good, man. All right, so with that being said, I'm out of here. On to the next ones. Hey, if you're new here, you know, hit that subscribe. It's free. Also, go subscribe to Peyton Parrish. I'll put his channel link in the description, all right? Show him some love too, okay? And I want to encourage you to be a light to others around you, all right? Dark times. Dark times. Almost Viking-like. Be a light to others around you, all right? Thank you. I'll see you in the next videos. Brandon out.